Mastering the GMAT, making the most of the tutorial and practice questions. Hello learners! Today, we'll dive deep into a crucial but often overlooked part of the GMAT, utilizing the tutorial and practice questions. This aspect can significantly impact your test performance and confidence. So, let's get started. Before the actual test begins, the GMAT provides a 15-minute tutorial on how to navigate through the exam. This isn't just about the content, it's about familiarizing yourself with the test's mechanics. Purpose: understand that this tutorial is designed to help you get comfortable with the test format, the types of questions, and the test interface. Content: you'll be shown how to select an answer, move to the next question, and manage your time. It's important to pay attention, even if you've done countless practice tests at home. 1. Building confidence. A smooth start can set the tone for the rest of the exam. Knowing how to navigate can reduce stress and boost your confidence. 2. Technical familiarity. Computers can be unpredictable. The tutorial ensures that you're familiar with the specific system used for the GMAT, reducing chances of technical hiccups. 3. Pacing practice. Use this time to establish a rhythm. While the tutorial questions don't count towards your score, practicing your pacing now can help when it's game time. After the tutorial, you'll be presented with a few practice questions. Here's how to maximize their value. Don't skip them. Even if you've practiced a lot, this is your chance to see official GMAT questions and get into the test-taking mindset. Review your answers. Make sure you understand why you got a question right or wrong. This can help you quickly adjust your strategy if needed. Time management. These practice questions give you an opportunity to gauge the time you're taking per question. Aim to find a balance. Don't rush, but also don't linger too long on a single question. To wrap up, the GMAT's tutorial and practice questions aren't just a formality. They're tools to set you up for success. Utilizing them properly can help reduce anxiety, improve performance, and increase your chances of achieving the score you're aiming for. We hope this video has shed some light on the importance of these initial steps of the GMAT. Best of luck, and remember, every minute of the test, including the tutorial, can be a step towards your goal.